travelers, welcome to our literary journey through the timeless short story of How My Brother Leon Brought Me a Wife by Manuel A. Ardila. Today, we will walk through the very path taken by Leon and his young bride Maria and Baldo. Each stop reveals not only a place, but also a piece of the story's heart. So, tighten your sandals and open your imagination and let's start.
Here we are, the Catherine's house, the start point of Baldo's journey. This is where Baldo patiently waited for Fletch, Leon, and Maria to come back. They loved Caraval. Maria first appeared here dressed simply but carrying herself with grace. This stops Mark getting all set. How well would she adapt to the rural life Leon grow up in? Go!
You may scratch his forehead.
Maria!
From Casilines, Leon and Maria were expected to take the Camino Real, the main road toward Nagrevkan. But Father had instructed Baldo to take a different path, a quiet route, trial to test Maria's character. The Camino Real represents the easy way, the road of comfort, which did
Father wants Baldo to follow his it is short of the rock. Baldo, your father instructed you to follow us. Where did he not? Stream they had crossed. Once beautiful and challenging. Its water sparkles under the sun, but it was deep and it frightened someone unfamiliar with countryside. Maria rode it on the labang's back as she crossed, showing her trust and Leon and her willingness to embrace.
and cornfields. Next, pass through the tobacco and cornfields, symbol of rural life and livelihood. The field stretched wide, filling the air with the scent of crops. It was here Maria saw the vastness of Leon's home province, a sharp contrast to the city's life she came from. This is where the countryside began to truly reveal itself to her.
A narrow rail passing across the street. To cross it required balance and courage, just like Baldo Maria faced injustice to her usual life. Maria crossed carefully and decided calmness showed her wide strength.
Why does he make that sound?
You will never heard of it. You have to hear our bull go like laban. In all the world, there's no another bull like him.
Like that. Either I shall fall in love.
from Manila. Bulldoze, take Maria upstairs to go. Look at the street, enjoy the hardship of our life here. Chika, father. That good, my son.
How my brother Leon brought home a bite is more than